Welcome to FarmBeats for Students, precision agriculture experiences for school and home. If you just watched the intro video, you've already seen that the kit is made up of 3 parts: the student experience, resources for teachers, and a hardware kit. And that's what we're going to look at here, the Grove Smart Agriculture Kit with Raspberry Pi 4. The central component of the kit is, of course, the Raspberry Pi 4 computer. It also includes the Grove base hat with fan. This is the old hat. The new hat has a fan to keep the Pi from getting too hot while it collects and transmits data from its sensors. Environmental sensors in the kit include all kinds of different things: a 1-wire temperature sensor, a capacitive soil moisture sensor, a sunlight sensor, and a temperature and humidity sensor. Also included is a relay you can use to control a circuit of higher voltage. The relay also has an LED light to indicate when it's been activated. There's also a dual button to perform functions directly on the Pi. We use it to take a snapshot of sensor data or to turn the Pi off. In the box are all the things students will need to put it together. There's also a 32 gigabyte SD card with an adapter, so students can access the SD card with their computers. And there's also the world's smallest screwdriver to put everything together. In order to get data back and forth from their computer and the Pi, there's a USB to TTL serial cable. So that's a look at the hardware kit. Look for other videos on the channel on how to put the kit together and an overview of other kit components, student experiences, and educator resources. Thanks for watching.